Hello everyone, I missed you. And today's video is my zero waste essentials for an international flight. This has been my trusty carry-on bag for a couple of years now. This was just given to me by my mom, or baka kinuha ko lang sa cabinet niya. So here I am folding my clothes the Marie Kondo way. Patayo siya para makita ko yung mga susuotin ko for every single day. So it's easier for me and hindi magugulo yung maleta ko. We are staying there for 4 days, 3 nights, so I'm packing for that. So here I'm putting my pantulog clothes. I just brought a set of 3, 1 shorts and 3 shirts, so it's easier for me to pack. And this is where I put my underwear, so hindi ko na ipapakita yun, of course. And I also bring my Sinaya cup with me whenever I travel. So it's a menstrual cup, and I'll put a link in the description box below kung ano yun. Next is my skincare kit, of course, from Lana PH. And then I'm bringing my DNA Repair Elixir, a toner, and my sunblock. Put it right there. And of course, I also bring a straw set with me, 2 regular straws and 1 milk tea straw, and then a pair of utensils, which I just got here at home. One of my best travel purchases this year is this wet bag from Daily Convo's shop. So this is where I put yung mga madumi ng clothes or yung mga basa or shoes. So this is how it looks like kapag gagamitin mo sa shoes. There you go. And of course, we'll be having a bagnet break. Hello, my baby. And these are my toiletries whenever I travel. So usually kasi diba nahaharang kapag liquid. So I prefer bringing solid bars. The green one is a conditioner from Mayumi Organics, my favorite. And then the pink one is the brightening soap from Lana PH, of course. And then the black one is an activated charcoal shampoo bar from Mayumi Organics as well. And also when I travel, I always wanna bring reusable bags with me kasi mga pasalubong, yung mga bibilhin and stuff, so you can always refuse plastic bags. Another zero waste travel essential is this reusable bag from Daily Convo's shop. This is where I put food, again, because your girl's always hungry. So instead of using plastic, I just use this reusable bag. Another favorite is this Tasher PH silicone bag where I organize my tech stuff and pencils, and I also use this for food sometimes, and I really love this. So there you go, my zero waste travel essentials kit. On a separate video, I'll show you kung ano ba yung mga nasa backpack ko whenever I travel. I hope you learned a thing or two today, and thanks so much again for watching. I appreciate you so much, guys. I missed you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!